Morning guys, this is Paul, Good Gaming Ideas, and welcome to my channel. So I've got this package today from China, and I know what's inside. I'm very excited, so let's see what there is. Okay, let me grab my knife and okay, yeah, just open it up. Yep. Okay. Okay. Alright, so wow, as you can see, this is a very tightly packed double box with some foam. I don't know if you could see that. So yeah, so it's a box in a box, and some has some padding for a snug fit. Okay, so just yep. Alright, so it's very nicely packed. Here it is, and it has a bubble foam on the top. Okay, so let's open it up. Okay, let's just slide it out, and here you are. So yeah, this is RGB water cool block from Bykski for my Radeon 5700 XT card. Okay, and without any further ado, let's open this box. Okay, quality assurance seal. Let's open this bad boy. Yes. Open another one. Okay. Yes. Slide it out. Okay, and another box. Did I order boxes? And another one. Wow. If it's as they say, it's so controlled and checked, so it should be awesome. Oh my god. Look at this, guys. Oh. So it's a thermal paste applicator. Then I got some thermal compound, and then yes, the instruction and a cable and screws, and oh wow, they even have included blank caps. That's nice. And plastic washers. Okay, this is everything for assembling the thermal pads. Everything is inside, as expected. Well, what I didn't expect, it's this controller. It's very nice because they have included this controller. Well, actually, might get some Bykski fans for my case as well, RGB fans. And the remote control. I've heard these are pretty cool. You just can yeah, set up your RGBs. Oh wow. Oh, it's just Molex cable. Okay, so it's two cables, so it's 3-pin cable, and yeah, and a Molex cable, power supply cable. Okie dokie. What is that? What is that? Okay, it's a grill, fan grill. Okay, well, maybe I'll have use for it. Okay. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Oh, it's so heavy. Oh wow, it's so heavy. Okay. And another set. Need some help. Tough seals. Yeah, look at this. it's heavy. It's very heavy. I thought it would be much lighter. Well, yeah. Oh my god, look at the thickness of this metal. It's like 5mm thick. 4. It's very heavy. It's a full copper water block for a Radeon X5700 XT RGB. So you can order these ones without RGB, with RGB, 12 volt and 5 volt RGBs. So I've ordered with 5 volt RGBs. Okay, what else it has? Well, besides its thickness and good quality, it has a logo with writing. It says RX5700XTX. Okay, so here it is, video card Radeon RX 5700 XT water block from Bykski. I hope you liked this review, and if you want to see me actually putting this block on my video card, watch my other videos for more information. And I don't think you can buy one of these from Amazon yet, so I bought mine from AliExpress. So probably there won't be a link in the description below, but anyways, it's very interesting how it will perform with my video card. So thank you guys for watching, and I hope to see you on the next one. Bye.